That's Teddy and Ziva, the shepherd, and Rasta, playing with the rope. Oh. Come here, guys. Now Ziva and Teddy. Come on. Got it, Teddy? Now he wants to be chased. Such a good boy. Come on. Where you going, bud? Look. Uh-oh. Poor baby, he tripped. So that's not fair. Look at Rasta. He ain't letting go. He's not letting it go. You got it, Teddy? You got it? That other barking, there's a dog behind me. Get it, Rasta! Get it! Get it! Teddy. What you got, Teddy? What you got? Get it, Rasta! Get it! Get it! Rasta wants it so bad. Get it, Rasta! Get it! Uh-oh. He is not letting go. What, Rasta? About it. Tell him. Oh, grab it, Rasta. Get it, Rasta. Get it, get it. Look. Get it, get it. Get it, Rasta. Get it. Here, get it, Rasta. Get it. Here, Rasta. Get it. Hurry, take it. Take it. Good. Those two. Yeah, Rasta got it. Rasta got it. Uh-oh. Those two. Get him, Teddy. Get him. Get him, Teddy. Now Ziva's going to get it. Okay. Come on. Ziva, be nice. Ziva, quit that. Get him, Ziva. Get her, Teddy. Get her. Get her. Okay, now Ziva got the rope. Here we go. Look at him. Big galoot. Uh-oh. I can't believe she let it go. Uh-oh. Tripping over your own feet, buddy. He's just playing. He's having a good time. Y'all done? Oh, she left you. She left you. She's going to get some water. Rasta's chilling. Hey, bud. Hey. Hey, handsome. Hey, my handsome. Hey, water break. Hey, Zeev. Water break for Teddy. Okay, where's the Kong? Here's a bigger rope. Let's get the bigger rope. Here, guys. Here, guys. Oh, here's the big one, Teddy. Look. I got the big rope. Here, Teddy. This piece long enough for you. There you go. Got it? Got it? Here. Come on. Here. Ready? Teddy, come on. I'm going to throw it. I'm going to throw it. You ready? Now go get it. I want to chase him. Nobody wants to chase you? I think they're all tired. I think they're all tired. Ziva. What? Okay. That's enough, huh?